Learn Hindi values. Responsibility to tolerance with.
जिम्मेदारी,
And.
सहिष्णुता.
Welcome to today's Hindi values adventure. Hey, you're about to learn 8 powerful Hindi words without falling asleep on page 1. We'll use a silly story, quick drills, and a few dramatic pauses because learning deserves style. Today your mission is to meet these words. Responsibility is.
जिम्मेदारी,
Duty is.
कर्तव्य,
Trust is.
विश्वास,
Respect is.
सम्मान,
Consideration is.
विचारशीलता,
Patience is.
न्याय,
Fairness is.
निष्पक्षता,
And tolerance is.
सहिष्णुता.
If one of them feels long, do not panic. Even long words become friendly when repeated a few times and introduced with tea, comedy, and a talking cat. A town run by a cat mayor. Let's drop you into a tiny imaginary town where life lessons are somehow managed by a cat in spectacles. Yes, this is already a terrible government, but excellent vocabulary practice. In the town of Mango Nagar, Mayor Whiskers the cat sat behind a desk and announced, "Every citizen must learn."
जिम्मेदारी,
Quote. He pointed one paw at the baker, who forgot 3 loaves and 1 shoe, and said, "Taking
जिम्मेदारी,
makes people grow." Then he puffed up and added, "And do not forget.
कर्तव्य,
Fun is lovely, but sometimes
कर्तव्य,
comes first." The librarian nodded with deep.
सम्मान,
The children promised.
विश्वास,
In each other, and the bus driver showed.
विचारशीलता,
By waiting for one last sleepy passenger. Meanwhile, a snail crossing the road whispered.
न्याय,
A referee shouted.
निष्पक्षता,
At a football match, and the whole town survived different opinions through.
सहिष्णुता.
Honestly, for a town led by a cat, things were going surprisingly well. Word spotlight. Now let's slow down and make each word stick. You don't need to memorize perfectly, just let the sounds become familiar. Responsibility.
जिम्मेदारी,
Imagine carrying an important backpack. It feels heavy, but useful. Say it once.
जिम्मेदारी,
Duty.
कर्तव्य,
This is the moral thing you must do. Stand a little straighter when you say.
कर्तव्य,
Trust.
विश्वास,
Think of a bridge between 2 people. That bridge is.
विश्वास,
Respect.
सम्मान,
Picture a warm, dignified nod. That feeling is.
सम्मान,
Consideration.
विचारशीलता,
A long word, yes, but a beautiful one. It means thoughtful care for others.
विचारशीलता,
Patience.
न्याय,
Breathe in, breathe out, do not attack the elevator button. That is.
न्याय,
Fairness.
निष्पक्षता,
Think of perfectly balanced scales.
निष्पक्षता,
Means fairness or impartiality. Tolerance.
सहिष्णुता,
Different people, different views, one peaceful umbrella. That is.
सहिष्णुता.
Mini dialogue in Mango Nagar. Listen to this little scene and notice how the words work in context. You can repeat the Hindi parts after each pause. A. Who will handle this big problem? B. The
जिम्मेदारी,
is mine. A. Should we play all day? B. After our.
कर्तव्य,
A. Do you trust me? B. Yes, I have.
विश्वास,
In you. A. How should we treat our teacher? B. With.
सम्मान,
A. Why did you wait and hold the door? B. Because of.
विचारशीलता,
A. I want results right now. B. Please have.
न्याय,
A. The judge listened to both sides. B. That is.
निष्पक्षता,
A. We think differently. B. Then we need.
सहिष्णुता.
Memory tricks that are weird enough to work. Your brain likes strange pictures, so let's give it some. If these images are ridiculous, good. Ridiculous is memorable. 4.
जिम्मेदारी,
Imagine a glowing backpack labeled responsibility. You carry it proudly instead of pretending it belongs to the wallpaper. 4.
कर्तव्य,
Picture a shiny badge on your chest. It says duty, and somehow it makes you do the dishes heroically. 4.
विश्वास,
Imagine a bridge made of handshakes. Slightly odd engineering, but emotionally effective. 4.
सम्मान,
Picture an invisible crown floating over someone's head. That crown is respect. 4.
विचारशीलता,
Imagine someone quietly lowering their voice in a library while a piano goes ding-ding of kindness. 4.
धैर्य,
See a snail meditating under a tree and beating everyone in emotional maturity. 4.
निष्पक्षता,
Imagine a pizza cut into perfectly equal slices by a very serious judge. 4.
सहिष्णुता,
Imagine many different people under one big umbrella, while a grumpy cat teaches peace studies. Quick challenge. Time for a fast round. Answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of someone who definitely did not just learn these 5 minutes ago. What is the Hindi word for responsibility?
जिम्मेदारी,
What is the Hindi word for duty?
कर्तव्य,
What is the Hindi word for trust?
विश्वास,
What is the Hindi word for respect?
सम्मान,
What is the Hindi word for consideration?
विचारशीलता,
What is the Hindi word for patience?
धैर्य,
What is the Hindi word for fairness?
निष्पक्षता,
What is the Hindi word for tolerance?
सहिष्णुता,
Use them in real life. Before we finish, let's make these words sound useful, not just decorative. You can borrow these lines anytime. I can handle this responsibility.
ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है.
Helping others is my duty.
मेरा कर्तव्य लोगों की मदद करना है.
I trust you.
मुझे तुम पर विश्वास है.
We should respect everyone.
हमें सबका सम्मान करना चाहिए.
Please show consideration.
कृपया विचारशीलता दिखाएं.
Patience is important.
धैर्य महत्वपूर्ण है.
Fairness matters in school.
स्कूल में निष्पक्षता मायने रखती है.
Tolerance is important.
सहिष्णुता महत्वपूर्ण है.
Friendly goodbye. You did it. 8 meaningful Hindi words, 1 cat mayor, and 0 boring grammar lectures. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
जिम्मेदारी, कर्तव्य, विश्वास, सम्मान, विचारशीलता, धैर्य, निष्पक्षता,
And
सहिष्णुता.
out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, use one in a sentence, and be proud of every small step. You're doing great, and your Hindi is growing beautifully.